friend, it's Rose here in another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you why you're not getting bookings. It's simple. It's your setting. The way you set up your informations on Turo can really cause you not getting enough booking, and you probably miss out on a lot of opportunity. So let me go ahead and show you my setting so you know why I'm getting these type of earning and I have so many future bookings coming up. So there's a reason why I got so many future bookings. It's not just because, I set up my account in certain ways, but you really have to pay attention to the setting in order for you to get bookings. So let's go ahead and break it down for you now. So first, of course, you want to make sure you go to your car. You pick any car. If you have multiple cars like me, unfortunately I got this car restricted, so this is out of it. But I'm gonna take this one for an example so you can kind of have an idea. I'm not gonna go to each car setting, but I'm going to take this one just so you can kind of see exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, look at this car, it's booming. I got so many bookings, not just booking for August, but look at next month, September already started filling out. Oh, so is October, November, December, January, and April. Oh my goodness, May. You tell me. If this doesn't work for you, I don't know what would work for you. But I'm going to show you my setting just so you can kind of have an idea how to set up your fleet to make sure you get more bookings from now on. So let's go first. Let's see, your pricing actually kind of important too. So let's go to that. Your pricing. You want to be reasonable. What's more important? Getting your car booked every time or having your car sitting in your lot every time? So you really have to do research to make sure you're not overcharging people and to make sure you're charging the correct price for your car. This car has a low mileage. I can easily rent this car for $45 to $50 a day, but I choose to do it $40 just because I'm in Florida, here in Orlando. Really, people don't even use the car to go to their theme parks. They literally get my car from the airport just to get to the hotel, wherever they go, and then they park it because sometimes the hotel offers shuttles to theme parks. Not only that, they save money by not going with the car because guess what? The reason why they save money by not going with the car because all theme parks charge for parking. So on my market, it's fair for me to charge a guest $40 because a lot of people, even though they have 2,000 miles to drive, they literally only drive 91 miles. So you can tell this person only used the car to go and come back. So really, there's not much driving. So it's fair. So you really need to understand your market to know exactly if it's the best thing to do. And secondly, we go down. I don't offer too many discounts. I got the boosting here, 5% extra. I try to keep everything as low as possible. I feel like I'm giving too much for 30 days and plus 13%, 10% for 7 days. Turo recommended 15. So I'm just kind of going over my setting just so you can look at. And also, I want to point out one thing to you. You really need to offer delivery to different locations. I'm not going to click on that because I don't want you to see my address, which is, it doesn't matter, but just in case. But yeah, locations matter. You need to offer delivery service, like different locations where people can pick up their cars. So that's play a big role too. You need to be very flexible. But this only work if you're trying to do Turo full time. You're really trying to maximize your earning that way. And then let's see what else. We can go to distance included. This is another thing too. So like I explained to you, I don't do 200, 100 because like I said, not too many guests actually drive a lot. I think the max I've seen guests driving my car for was I would say 400 miles, and but they really don't go much. Most likely it's someone that came here and then in Orlando, then they probably go to Daytona or somewhere to go to the beach or something, or they find a day to go to the beach. But even they have thousands of mileage, they really don't use any, like not even half of it. So Yeah. So this is why I give 300 miles, just to make my guests kind of feel more comfortable. So the more mileage you offer, it can also potentially give you more booking, because people, when they see the 200, I don't know why, but it seems like it play a role. They keep check. Like there's this guy who would keep calling me every time. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna try not to go over the mileage. He was so concerned, and the man didn't even drive half of his mileage. He had 1,200 miles to drive with my Mercedes. He didn't even drive much because, I don't know, he was just so concerned. And yeah, I just kind of feel bad. So that's why I give 300 miles. That way people just don't have to worry about the mileage at all. And your trip, let's see, preference. And that's what's going to kind of help you too, big time. As you can see, I offer delivery, locations, home, delivery, location. I also have guest preference location. So any guest can request me. I have all this box. Click check. And then this is important, your advance notice. So you want to make sure you set up that 1 hour. I think if I could do it like 30 minutes, that's what I was going to do it, because right now as we speak, I'm doing Turo full time. So this is important. So I set up mine 1 hour. And then your trip, this one, I guess you can only leave it as far as 3 hours, no later than that. So it's like an automatic. So after you get the car back, they will block it for 3 hours, though no one can just, I don't know what that is. But anyways, but it looks like I can only set it up for 3 hours. So I keep everything as convenient as possible, just so I can get more trip. And then of course I take any trip, short trip, long trip, because I charge for all delivery anyway. So regardless, if I can make $45 for the day on one car, that's what I'm gonna do. If I can make 50, 70, 80, the max I ever make a day is $68 a day. So it's not too bad at all. That's still good for 1 day booking trip, like same day booking. Like the person will book it for the morning, then you pick it up in the evening. That's still good. This type of booking, normally they use the full mileage. A lot of time they always drove like at least 100 something mileage. So this trip, yeah, these type of booking can really hurt your mileage sometimes. Because they plan it, they going somewhere that's probably 100 miles to go, 100 miles to come back. So yeah. And then of course I click this little box here to long terms, trips, and then you save everything. So that's my trip preference setting. And then there's other things actually you need to set up. So let's go back to it. I'm gonna show you something here. It's your setting. Your availability also play a big role. I think it's this one. Yes. So your availability play a big role. So I used to be always available. That was killing me, because people will request me at crazy hour. So I figured the only day that matters to me, I'm still kind of available every single day from Monday to Friday, from Monday to Saturday. The only day I customize is Sunday, because Sunday I do go to church, so this is important to me. I have to make sure I secure that day so I can go to church. So I put certain hours availability. So there you have it. This is my setting. If you want to get more booking, there's no excuses now. I showed you exactly what I do. That's why I'm getting so many bookings, future bookings, and my cars are getting books. So there's ways to set up, not just the pricing, but there's ways to set up your account in order for you to get more booking. Again, thank you for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because my goal is to grow this to I will never try to charge you guys or sell you anything on this channel. This is literally for purpose of information that I'm giving you and my experience with Turo. So if you find this video helpful, the only thing I ask you to do is smash the like button and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel here. Thank you so much for watching.